We are in a very, very interesting times with 5G. The promise of 5G has been how can it open new opportunities to monetize the infrastructure assets that the telcos have been investing for the long period of time. The architecture of 5G is a fundamental shift in bringing the cloud native functionality that allows all the power of the networks to be exposed for anybody to use it. And to me, honestly, this is the time when we have a very realistic chance of taking the infrastructure as a service, as an asset, and not only driving new value for the people who are building content to monetize the infrastructure like the consumers, but also enterprises who are very focused on making automation and now with AI an integral part of their business processes. With 5G, we now have an opportunity to converge IT and OT networks inside enterprises that drives tremendously new value propositions, new types of business processes, new types of applications and services inside the enterprises. And that's where the opportunity for the telcos is to monetize the 5G networks. The challenges is, I would put the challenges into three categories. There is technical challenges, there is cultural challenges, and then there is skill set challenges. The technical challenges are by far now overcome because of the 5G. The infrastructure exists that enables the kind of a native, cloud native architecture that is required. The second area, which is really the cultural challenges, to me are one of the most significant ones, where the agility at which we can innovate new services and understand the nuances of the customers, which includes both the consumer and the applications. And we are going to see a very new set of customers. And hence, everyone involved, including the operators, the service providers like ourselves, we all are transforming towards creating the culture that brings in agility and automation with AI at the forefront of everything that we do. And the third is really the skill sets, and that's really where the industry as a whole has gone through a lot of improvements, and we have huge opportunity to further invest into it. At Tech Mahindra, we are investing heavy in building the skill sets and the capabilities of the future that will allow the telcos to monetize their assets with consumers and enterprises. Tech Mahindra is in a very, very unique position as we work very closely with the telecom operators as well as the enterprises. The partnership that we have with telecom operators allows us to bring a very solid and robust ecosystem of the capabilities that telcos have to enterprises who are the next frontier of the applications that will take advantage of the 5G assets. While at the same time, because we work with enterprises globally in all different verticals, whether it's manufacturing, oil and gas, petro, refinery, travel and logistics, and whole suite of industry verticals. Since we work very closely with them, we understand their challenges, we understand their business aspects, we understand what is fundamentally required for them to reach the next level of productivity. Hence, we find ourselves in a very unique position to be able to help bridge the gap and create the right level of stickiness in the new solutions that allows enterprises to take much better advantages of the infrastructures telcos are building for 5G, or if the enterprises want to build a private network by themselves. So that's how we are working with both telcos and enterprises in bringing new set of capabilities to bear.